Hi, we're Kickresume, and we're going to show you how to write a killer profile section for your resume. Let's take a look at this resume example. It belongs to Mr. Evan DeLeo, Director of Business Development at HubSpot, and it's awesome. The first thing you want to do is introduce yourself. You can do it either in a more casual way, like Evan did here, or be a bit more conservative. Once you have done that, take a look at the rest of your resume and try to squeeze it into 3 to 5 sentences. Not easy, right? But what would you do if these few sentences were everything an employer was going to read? Which things would you still want them to know about yourself? Finally, divide your profile into 3 to 5 bullet points. This will make it much easier to read. And that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, or if you need help with writing your resume, ask us in the comments. Thank you for watching this guide, and if you want a beautiful resume without too much effort, create it at kickresume.com. See you next time.